For example 2, it says write an equation of a line in point slope form that passes through these 2 points. All right, now, usually we have a point and a slope in order to make point slope form, but we only have 2 points. We don't have a slope. So we have to use this formula to find the slope of these 2 points. And so first we would label these x1, y1, x2, y2, and then over here, my first step is to actually solve it. So when we taught this, like maybe a few weeks ago, I had you guys go ahead and draw out your fraction bar and put your minus signs in. And then all you have to do is go plug your numbers in. So y2 is 4. And then y1 was a negative 2. At the bottom of the fraction, we have x2, which is 2, and x1, which is negative 1. And we have recently discussed this double negative that needs to be a positive. Okay, so let's change this to a positive. And if we combine, we've got 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, and if we divide that, we get m is 2. Now, the second step is actually plugging that in to this formula here. Okay, so we know m is 2. We also have these 2 points. And so I'm just going to use the first point and my slope to plug in. So I've got y minus, y1 is negative 2. I found the slope now, which is 2. And then I have x minus, x1 is negative 1. And then go back and fix all your double negatives. For part B, we'll do the exact same setup. So first, go ahead and label your point. And then you're going to plug it into slope. All right, so I've got y2, okay, at the top, so that would be negative 6. Then y1, that's negative 2. We change that to a positive. Then at the bottom we have x2, which is 3, x1, which is 1, and now we can go ahead and simplify. So negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. So m is negative 2. Now, step 2 is putting it into point slope form. Okay? And so now that I have m, and now that I have my first point, I can plug these into this equation. So I've got y minus. Okay, y1 is negative 2. That slope is negative 2. And then x minus x1 is 1. So we can go ahead and change that to a positive. And then that is my final answer for point slope form.